This is Sebas with Nextmv, and today I'm going to be showing you what it's like to work with Hexaly in the Nextmv platform. So right here, I have a sample Python application that we can use to showcase how it is to work with it. For this simple example, we have a knapsack problem in which we're selecting some items to put in a knapsack, and we're looking to maximize the overall value while respecting the weight capacity that we have. Hexaly is a commercial solver, so we do need a license. And right here, I have a template for a license, and we just need to put a license.dat file in the working directory. So let me go ahead and fetch my license information. All right, so now I have a license.dat file in the root of my directory. So I can go ahead and run this app locally by just executing Python main.py. I'm going to read an input that comes from an input.json file, and I'm going to write to an output file called output.json. All right, that's done. And I can check my output that it contains the solution to the knapsack folder and it was solved to optimality. So we can push this application to the Nextmv cloud, and to do that, and really to push any Python application, we just need an app.yaml file, and this is what we call the app manifest. So here, what we're saying is this is a Python application, and it's going to run on the Hexaly runtime. This runtime contains Hexaly pre-installed because Hexaly does require that you install the solver separately from the actual library that's using it. So this runtime comes with Hexaly installed. And here we're listing that we want to include our main.py file with our code and also our license.dat file with the license information in it. And as a bonus, we have a Python flag here that will tell you where the requirements are listed. And what the packaging process will do is that it will look for this requirements.txt file and it will install whatever is listed here. In this case, we're going to look in two places and we're going to install the Hexaly library on top of other packages just for showcasing. So let me open a command and show you what it is to push that application. And before showing you what it is to push an application, I already have a Hexaly app created on Nextmv Cloud, as you can see here. So we're going to be pushing to that application. So let me just do Nextmv app push to the Hexaly application. And this will start the build. It will bundle those Python dependencies that are listed in the requirements.txt file. It will also bundle all files that are listed in the manifest, and it's going to show me when it's done. So let's just fast forward. Okay, so the application is already pushed to the cloud, and we can open it to check that the latest pushed executable is in fact in place. So now that it's already pushed, I can make runs to it as any normal application. For example, I can do a run directly from console. Let me just go ahead and copy this input, run app, the default instance being Devin. Oh, let me move my face out of the way. Start the run. There we go. And it's going to start running it. And per usual, you can see the live logs that the app might produce, and you can check both the input and the result once it's done running. Oh, there we go. And the result, as expected, is the same as we get locally. Okay, so just like that, we showed what it is to work with Hexaly on Nextmv. So all you need is some Python code, the app manifest with the instructions of what you need, and the license information for Hexaly. Thank you very much. Take it easy.